Welcome to Hustle Highway. Today, we're breaking down one of the most important financial concepts, investing. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to enhance your existing investment strategy, this video will guide you through the essential steps to build long-term wealth. Let's start with the basics. Investing involves using your money to purchase assets with the expectation of a financial return. Common investment vehicles include stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Each has its own risk and reward profile. Before you start investing, it's crucial to define your financial goals. Are you saving for a down payment on a house, funding your child's education, or planning for retirement? Your goals will determine your investment strategy and risk tolerance. A solid financial foundation is essential for successful investing. Create a budget to track your income and expenses. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and allocate more funds towards your investment goals. Before you dive into investing, build an emergency fund. This cushion of cash will help you weather unexpected financial storms without having to sell your investments at a loss. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key to managing risk. Spread your investments across different asset classes to reduce your exposure to market fluctuations. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. The key to long-term wealth is patience and discipline. Avoid trying to time the market and focus on staying invested for the long haul. Consider consulting with a financial advisor for personalized guidance. They can help you create a tailored investment strategy based on your goals and risk tolerance. Investing can be a powerful tool for building wealth. By understanding the basics, setting clear goals, and diversifying your portfolio, you can take control of your financial future. Remember, patience and discipline are key to long-term success. Thanks for watching Hustle Highway.